It's your travel agent, David, and today we are at Chena Hot Springs, and we are going to be doing a 20-minute dog sled ride and a little meet and greet with the pups. So if you're coming to Fairbanks or even to Anchorage, but if you're making your way to Fairbanks, if you want to do dog sledding rides, this is the most affordable opportunity for you. It's like $65 per adult. This is $35 for kids. But a lot of places they want to charge you $120 to, we've seen as much as $239 per person to go sled dog riding. So an hour and a half down the road, $65. And then you still have all the opportunities of everything to do here at Chena Hot Springs. So let's go pal around with some dogs. And once you park, you've got to walk your way out of the resort property. There's a one-way bridge you're going to go under, and then to your left will be the kennels. So you got to watch out because they run the dogs through there, so make sure you look both ways before crossing this little trail to get to the kennels, or you may just get run over. Sounds like the dogs are ready to go. Makes me wonder, well, who let the dogs out? Who? Who? So interesting fact, Huskies won't feel cold until about 60 below zero. They run at prime options, prime time at 20 below or colder. And they are bred to run 100 miles a day. That's crazy. I don't even like driving 100 miles a day. It's funny, the dogs are barking and going nuts and everything, and then as soon as the sled leaves, quiet. It's almost like being at home and asking your dogs if they want to go for a ride. They get all excited. They see the sled, they know they're going to go out and play. So that's pretty funny.
I'm by. Get it. I'm by. Hi. Good dogs. She's dead. I'm trying to put her back. Get up by. Good dogs.
How cool was that? Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I wish it was faster.
Yeah, it's because you're not pulling the sled.
I know.
Now, they had a team of 8 dogs. Each sled dog they weigh about 60 pounds on average. They can pull 2 to 3 times their weight. So 8 dogs at 60 pounds, that's 480. So that means they can pull 960 to almost 1,400 pounds. And they can run between 10 and 25 miles per hour. So pretty remarkable feat. And each dog has like their own job. Like you got the guide dogs, and then the dog in the back, he's there to pull the much power as he can. Then you got the steer dogs and just the work dogs. And I know that's not the technical terms for them, but that's kind of what they do. So if you have any questions about riding sled dogs here at Tina Hot Springs, send me a message. I'll do my best to answer it. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, especially if you love dogs. Those dogs, they'd all be barking if you hit that subscribe button.